Hello everybody, and let me introduce you to the Golden Elite Lubricant from CHEPARK. This is model number BIC120G. Now this lubricant will protect your metal parts of your bike from dust and water, and it will just keep everything moving, stopping anything from locking together. Now you can use it in all 4 seasons, and in fact it's suitable for temperatures from 25 to 250 degrees Celsius. Now this is especially good if you have titanium screws on your bike. Okay, sometimes if you have titanium screws, they can get locked into the bike and very difficult to get out. So all you need to do is before you screw them in, just put a little bit of the lubricant on the screw, like so. Screw it in, and then next time you need to undo them, they should come out very, very easily. So if you are looking for a lubricant for your bike, remember CHEPARK's Golden Elite Lubricant.